Today, I am going to smash this alarm clock. Okay, I have method number 1. I'm going to play baseball. Da-da-da-da-da-da! Let's try another method. Okay. Remove the screen protection there. Did get a bit of crack there? Let's see what happened. I got a bit of shattered pieces right there. Yes, it's a bit broken now. Yeah, not bad at all. One leg is destroyed. Okay, so now the alarm clock is still broken. Oh! What happened there? So the alarm clock, yes, alarm clock is now broken and look at what happened here. Still got a bit of shattered pieces. Let's see. Don't try it. Pieces shattering around the place. Yes, that was a lot of pieces shattering around the place, and goodbye.